Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So we're going to look at KWEB ETF, China ETF. If you've been in the room, you know that we've been following this KWEB well last week and all this week. Absolutely stunning what happened this morning. So the Chinese government, I guess, said, enough is enough. We're going to help some of these firms. And so this really, look at this gap up for KWEB right up here. That was probably at about 20 odd percent, and it kept moving higher and higher and higher. So the name of the game today was, if you didn't want to just play this one, take a look at some individual Chinese stocks. And the one I looked at was API. API to me, again, like most China stocks, they did this gap in the pre-market. That's what this little move or tan area is. There's the gap in the pre-market. And I waited on a 9 break for this one, and it moves right almost straight up to $10. And before it did fall back, it did fall back, and I was out of it by then, of course. It's still looking interesting, okay? The API is still looking interesting, but really, all you had to do was, keep an eye on what KWEB was doing to see if there was any big downturn. That is what I think when API dropped. I think that was a downturn in KWEB. But man, oh man, that what made this trade great? Well, you had to watch. You had to know what the news was. Again, Chinese government kind of trying to prop up these companies, saying enough is enough. We're tired of having all our Chinese stocks getting beaten up. So unbelievable. Really unbelievable action to wake up to this. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room and check out for the balance of today the China stocks. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.